Welcome back to Build with Dre 99. Today we're going to be taking a look at the LEGO Speed Champions Too Fast, Too Furious Nissan Skyline GTR. This is set number 76917. It contains 319 pieces and is rated for ages 9 and up. Here we have the Skyline on the front of the box. Taking a look at the back side, we have the back of the Skyline along with some scenes from the Fast and Furious franchise. Now, let's get started. And this set contains the instruction manual, got a bag number 2 and a bag number 1, along with the chassis. And here is all the components of bag number 1, along with Paul Walker. Here is our Paul Walker figure. It's got some back printing. He's got a wrench that can work on his car. And here is our Nissan Skyline GTR. This thing is pretty clean. It's got a ton of stickers, however, I think it looks great. Got the iconic taillights. Your spoiler can move up and down. Got your exhaust pipe. The attention to detail on this set was pretty crazy. Going off of that, this roof is removable. Let's look at that interior detail. Like I said, a lot of stickers. However, I think they look great and I think it was definitely worth it. I mean, it really does have all the angles of a real GTR. Along with that, rolls pretty good on hard surfaces. Well, thanks for joining this episode on Build with Dre 99. Hope you tune in for the next set. See you in the next one. Please drop a like and subscribe for the next review.